Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to take you through my high protein breakfast. I start with a ripe banana, and we're going to make protein pancakes today. So I break the banana up, put it into the blender. Next, we add 2 whole eggs, and I'm using omega-3 eggs. Okay, and then we're going to blend that to get it liquefied. Okay, after that, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of nutmeg. And then we're going to add another 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is just for flavoring. And then a pinch of sea salt in there. And now for the protein, we already have the eggs in there, which is going to give us about 14 grams of protein. And then I'm going to add for myself 1.5 scoops of whey protein. Each scoop is 24 grams. So add what you need. I'm looking to get about 65 grams of protein out of this breakfast meal. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil, about a 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil to the pan, just to make it lubricated, add some more good fat. And then to each pancake, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on it. So pour the first pancake, pour it about like a medium size. This will make about 6 pancakes. So it's a hearty breakfast filling. I also add chia seeds to the pancake, just a pinch of those, small amount. And I'll also add sliced almonds. It adds a little bit more fat and good protein, and it gives it a really good flavor. So that's kind of the core of the pancakes. So we'll make a few of those, quickly run through, pour again, and do the same process. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon, add the chia seeds, and then the sliced almonds. I like to have a cup of coffee with these pancakes. And before I even actually have my coffee, what I'll do is I'll drink a liter of water first thing when I wake up and while I'm making this breakfast. And then I'll have my coffee after I've had my water. And then I'll also have this meal after the water's in already. I just find that's good to hydrate, get my digestive system going. So I'll put a little bit of cream, pour the coffee in. That's gonna go with the meal. Here are the protein pancakes, about 6 of them there. And now for extra protein, I'll add a high protein Greek yogurt. And then just for a little bit of sweetness, I'll drizzle some syrup on there. If you don't need the syrup, that's fine. The pancakes with the banana and the almonds are tasty enough with the Greek yogurt on top. I just drizzle a little bit of syrup just to add that little bit of sweetness to the flavor of the Greek yogurt. All right, there you go, guys. And that is the high protein pancakes breakfast.